Is AndaSeat any good? That's what we're here to find out today, ladies and gentlemen. That's right, we got the Kaiser 3E chair. Beautiful linen gray gamer racing chair of the year. This thing, you can go at least 85 miles an hour in it, put it in your car, and it passes as a legal seat for your car. I'm kidding, of course. Just cut, editor. Kaiser 3E chair. It's a beautiful chair from AndaSeat. It looks nice and comfy. It's got lots of foam in it. It's got a magnetic headrest. It's got 4D armrests, and it's even got an e-brake. So get ready for the unboxing of your life. See you there. First thing that's great about this box, as you can see, it says your unboxing experience starts here. Isn't that beautiful? Like I said, they said it was supposed to be easy to assemble, so we shall see about that. Also, because oh, we got the gray one. Pause the video. Look how cool that is. Whoa. Oh, I'm an official gamer. This is like one of them real gamer chairs that they've been telling me about on the internet. You guys know what I'm talking about? The internet? Dude, look at that. Okay, it's supposed to have a mag clap easy assembling system. That's what they said about the assembly. So, okay, a couple more things. I got this accessories box. The mechanism, a memory foam head pillow. Very nice. Wow. And it's metal. What do we got in here? It contains 5 wheels, 2 magnetic side covers, and some screws, an Allen key, the piston, a height adjustment tilt lever handle, tilt lock lever handle, and a safety cap. And then you get the user manual is in the accessory box. Handy. I will be needing that shortly. Whoa, we got rims. Let's go. We got 22s in this bad boy. Yeah. It's been so long since we've had rims on a chair. Yo, you can see through them too. They're legit. Look at that. I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, and we have the 2 magnetic covers. We have our side lever, another side lever, the little cover for the shock mount, hardware. There's our shock. Boom, done. Chair complete. And then this goes on there, something like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of hold it up here and then put this one in. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. This is always the hardest part right here. It's done. It's a lot easier to do because the this part right here, you see how it's like angled instead of just straight, it's angled down. That kind of helped me line it up a lot easier. Look at how deep that is. Look at that. That's longer than my arm. That's very long. Okay, and then we have the back to put on, which is gonna be the hardest part, I think. But that's nice, dude. Superman, it's Superman's chair. For legal reasons, this is not Superman's chair. It just kind of slides in on this side, like that. The other side just kind of sits there, leaving it real easy to just line it up just like that. This is the worst possible outcome. Oh no, it just got even worse. Okay, we're fine. Oh, I thought it got stuck in there forever. That was a close one. That's in there, man. And whenever you want to take it off, you can just take it. Oh, it sticks to these. The point that I'm trying to make is, I don't think it's going to slide off or anything. I think we're just going to put these bad boys on down here. Hopefully they're in, you know, somewhat in the right direction. Facing back seems like the correct way. Okay. May have to adjust those later. All right, well that's everything. It's put together. But take a look, huh? Look at that bad boy. And then we got our fresh tag on the back, like we got a fresh pair of shoes, and we're flexing on them. We're gonna leave that on. Design patented by AndaSeat. Quality guaranteed. I just love the gray fabric look. I'll still say that every time. I love that. And then there's a little AndaSeat logo on the armrests. Kaiser 3E right there. Can't fit my hand in there. Freaking testing the limits of this e-brake today. Hey, it actually hits. Hey, wait a minute. Tall person chair. Look at my head. Hold on, let me sit up straight. Look at my head. My head is indeed rested. Okay, and we have our little headrest. Memory foam kind of crazy. I might just use it for like neck support more than like top of head. Yeah, that feels better. That's not bad. So you have rocking, and then the bottom spring, there's a little adjustment thing down here that I showed you where the shock was earlier. And you tighten that or loosen it depending on how much force you want to use when you rock back. You know what I mean? You have your rocking lock over here. You have a height adjustment over here. Even if your rock is locked, you can still take the chair back with this. Pretty far. It does have lumbar support, but it's just integrated into the seat, so it's not super annoying. It's a 4.8 centimeter outward curve. It's just built in, like, I think underneath the padding. That way you don't feel anything, but you still get a little bit of your natural spine curvature. All right, so it's got 4D armrests, so you can go forward and back. You can go left to right. There's a little clip right here. In, out. And of course the usual up, down, 5 different heights. Okay, so that's the armrests. Pretty nice. Okay, so it reclines from 90 degrees to 155 degrees. So this would be 155. Whoa, too far. This would be the 90. It's got a 15-degree rocking, a 15-degree rock and relax mode. Okay, so you got a couple different options for the seat. I got the linen version. You can get linen or leather. It's available in 6 color options, 2 fabric options, and 2 size options. We got the big one, of course. And it's also got the magnetic memory foam head pillow. It's sold separately. Anyways, final thoughts on Kaiser 3E. It's a brand new chair. First chair we've ever reviewed from AndaSeat, but I really like the way that they build stuff. Like I said, I worked in engineering, so when I see a product, I like to look at how it's built and the quality and the materials used, and not just the experience. But the experience was nice. The build quality was really good. It's pretty good for the price, like how it's built and everything, and it's just super comfortable. It's so high quality. I just like it. It's like a flex, dude. Like, you bring a girl over and you got your racer gamer chair. Look at this thing. It's beautiful. Anyways, if you like being comfortable, you like gaming, you like 4D armrest, maybe you never heard of AndaSeat before, just give them a shot. I'll leave a link for them in the description, and you can check out any of their other chairs. But if you're a fan of the Kaiser chair, the Kaiser 3E, like I said, it's brand new, and it comes in a bunch of really cool colors, not just gray. I think they got like orange, and like they got a bunch of like vibrant colors too. But if you like fabric, especially the seat is like super foam. I just love it. AndaSeat gave me a $30 off code, so make sure to use it. It's code NoodleNick, and you get $30 off. You can try it for another chair. I'm not sure if it would work, but you know, $30 off Kaiser if you're interested. Check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. And I don't know what else to say, man. 10 out of 10. Good job, AndaSeat. Love this thing. Smash like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tech review. Peace.